Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we will start our first lesson of Noorani Qaida, in which we will take start from Alif. So before starting Noorani Qaida, you must know what actually it is and why we need to learn this Qaida. So Noorani Qaida means basic book for beginners to learn Quran or to learn Arabic. So before starting Quran lesson, first we read Ta'uz and Tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So this is the first lesson of Noorani Qaida, in which we will take start from Alif. So there are 29 alphabets in Arabic. They are started from Alif and end on Ya. So now let's start. Our first letter is Alif. 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 Read after me. Alif. Alif. Say it again. Alif. Alif. Alif is only a single straight line. You can see Alif is only a single straight line. Alif has no dot. It's only a single straight line. So now let me show you the origin of Alif. So this is the origin of Alif. This is the inner view of mouth. So Alif is pronounced from the empty space of mouth. Can you see? This is the empty space of mouth, and Alif is pronounced from the empty space of mouth. Alif has no specific sound. It's only pronounced from the empty space of mouth. Alif. Okay, now we move to next letter, that is Ba. Our next letter is Ba. 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 Read after me. Ba. Ba. Say it again. Ba. Ba. Now try to recognize the shape of Ba. Ba has only one dot at the bottom. Ba has only one dot at the bottom. Can you see? This is the shape of Ba, and Ba has only one dot at the bottom. Okay, now let me show you the origin of Ba. So can you see? This is the inner view of mouth. And when we pronounce Ba, we touch the inner parts of both of lips. Okay? When we pronounce Ba, we touch the inner parts of both of lips like Ba, Ba. So this is the origin of Ba. We touch the inner parts of both of lips when we pronounce Ba. Ba. So this is the inner view of the mouth. Okay. Now we move to next letter, that is Ta. 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 Read after me. Ta. Ta. Say it again. Ta. Ta. Okay. Now try to recognize the shape of Ta. Ta has two dots at the top. Can you see? Ta has two dots at the top. Now can you see? Ba and Ta has same shape, but dots makes the difference between Ba and Ta. Ba has only one dot at the bottom, and Ta has two dots at the top. Okay, now let me show you the origin of ta. So now let me show you the origin of ta. So this is the inner view of mouth. Can you see, this is the inner view of mouth, and when we pronounce ta, we touch the tip of tongue to the gums of upper front two teeth. When we pronounce ta, we touch the tip of gums to the upper front two teeth. So this is the back side of teeth. We touch the inner gums. We touch the inner gums when we read ta, like ta, ta, ta. So now move to the next letter, that is sa. Sa, sa, sa. Read after me. Sa, sa. Say it again. Sa. Now try to recognize the shape of sa. Sa has only three dots at the top. Can you see? Sa has three dots at the top. And when we pronounce sa, you make sure you don't read it with whistle sound, because this is a soft letter and we read it softly, like sa, sa. So this is the shape of sa. Now let me show you the origin of sa. So this is the origin of sa. When we pronounce sa, we touch the tip of tongue to the edges of upper teeth. Okay, can you see? This is the inner view of mouth, and when we pronounce sa, we touch the tip of tongue to the edges of upper teeth, like sa, 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 sa. So now we again revise this lesson. This is Alif. Alif. Alif is only a single straight line, has no dot. Okay, this is only a single straight line, Alif. Okay, next. Ba, ba, ba. Ba has only one dot at the bottom. Ba has only one dot at the bottom. Okay, next. Ta, ta, and ta has two dots at the top. Ta has two dots at the top. Next. Sa, sa. Sa has three dots at the top. Now can you see, ba, ta and sa have same shape, but dots makes the difference between ba, ta and sa. Ba has only one dot at the bottom, ta has two dots at the top, and sa has three dots at the top. These three letters have same shape, but the dots makes the difference between these letters. Okay, this is all about from today lesson, in which we have learned about Alif, Ba, Ta and Sa. If you have any query, you can ask me. Thanks for joining me today's Quran lesson. Inshallah, see you tomorrow in the next lesson.